We've got only half an hour until school ends. Lucky, my old school, we never had half an hour until school ends. Like, you know, free time and stuff. But you're lucky to be in the school. Yep, I guess. I'm just gonna go wash off my makeup and stuff, so at home, my mom doesn't suspect anything. What, you're not wearing makeup? Yeah, my mom doesn't like it when I wear makeup, so I'm just gonna go wash it off. Okay, I guess. Whoa, I am so sorry. I didn't mean to. Can you just watch where you're walking at least? I'm sorry. I didn't really mean to. If only you weren't at school, I would beat you up. Sorry. At least I washed my makeup off. Yeah, I guess. Well, ring! I guess it's home time. We have early today. It's only been like 15 minutes. I guess. Bye. See you tomorrow. Yeah, right. I have to get my stuff. I'll just keep this in here just in case. I'll take it home. I might need it. I can't see anything. Yeah, dude, I'll take that. Oh, I am so. Whoa. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Are you okay? Yeah, I guess. I wasn't watching where I was going. No, I wasn't watching where I was going. I should have known that you've been carrying bags. Hey, are you new here? Does everybody know it's just the end of the day? One day. It spreads around pretty fast. Okay, I guess. Yeah, but... Here, do you want me to carry this to your car? Oh, I'm walking home. Really? Yeah. With all this stuff, it's only 15 minutes away. 15? It's not far. Well, if you need help, just ask me. Okay. See you tomorrow, I guess, new girl. Oh, by the way, what's your name? Oh, it's Tigress. Okay, bye, Tigress. See you tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, this thing, what's that on the ground? Doesn't matter, I guess. Mom, I'm home. Yeah, sweetie, yeah, just go put your things away. Okay. So, sweetie, how was your day? Oh, I'll tell you. I'm just gonna put my things away. Anyway, I've got to make dinner, so you could tell me at dinner time. Is Dad gonna be here for dinner? Maybe. He has a few works. He has to do some work at, you know, his job site. Well, I'm just gonna take off everything right now. I'll just put these away here. Right, I'm just gonna grab my laptop out. Get out of here. Okay. I guess I got it. I'm just gonna go on Petwood. I'm in Petwood information.